Look at these little girls in here doing what they're made to do. What are you doing, pretty girl? What are you doing, pretty girl? Out and blooming. Looking so good. This is a plum tree. Pear tree. Shoots 70 or shoots something like that. This looks like some kind of plum or something. Flower. There's more pretty. These peach blossoms. They finally figured out they got one little container for each of them. Yay! Now they don't have to fight over their food because they get equal amounts. And they're so cute. From right to left is Penny, Babe in the middle, and Charlotte on the end. And they're enjoying their dinner. That's my babes right there. Whoop, the only one's Babe. They're just chowing down. Dinner time. Now, after they eat that, they can roam around and eat some clover for dessert.
So you can't imagine the flies this summer?
Coaxed them back in here with some corn. Good job, guys.
Tested that to see how much. They don't like peppers. I tried to hand feed it to them and they were smelled it. I'm planting these sweet Pentium onions, and we're putting them 4 inches apart, or approximately 4 inches apart. Some of them already have green.
Look like about 2 inches apart, but do them a little further so they can grow bigger.
And basically I'm just planting them the way I saw one of the ladies on, look at that one.
Doug and Stacy.
Yeah, Doug and Stacy. I'm planting them the way they did, pretty much. And we'll see how that works. We've never really had onions because they just didn't really ever grow. We would put them in the dirt, but you'd never get much of an onion out of them. And so Doug and Stacy kind of gave us an idea here. And now we've got them in this very soft soil, so they should grow really well because they've got plenty of room to grow. They're not in clay soil, because you know clay is so hard. It just keeps a lot of things from growing. Some of these are really dried out badly, so they may or may not live. But anyway, we're going to put them all in, see which ones come up. Yellow Stuttgarter onions.
They're a little bigger.
Stuttgarter, yeah, most of them seem to be.
He got the inside row all the way around with the other ones with the sweet onion pentiums. So now we're going to do the other ones in an inside row. And then we'll plant something else in the middle. But anyway.
Stuttgarter. Stuttgarter. Get it?
Uh-uh.